Alright, so I'll do a quick introduction. Aditya Mishra, the director of Head Start, passionate guy, really traveled all around India building up cities for us. Akash Mahajan, in-house geek, everything that you want. Technically Akash is the guy taking care of it. Security freak, like won't give us access to, anybody's email without a complete process being followed. Okay, that's Saptarshi. He handles media. Recently, Saptarshi bagged a deal with ET now. So Startup Saturdays are getting covered on TV officially right now. So fab job, man. Very passionate. And that's Ankur. Ankur, automated the entire Bombay operations. Right now, he's setting up a new website and portal. And he's the founder of Only Gizmos. Very passionate guy again. Mitesh Ashar, remotely manages Startup Saturday Kolkata, sitting in Bombay. And another fab person runs his own company. That's Swati Ramnath, our new entrant in the Bangalore team. Fabulous with content writing, and she's the one, very dependable. 2 days after the event, you're going to have the post-event write-up. 5 days prior to the event, you're going to have a pre-event write-up. We can really count on her to have things be running smooth. Harsha is a web designer, a volunteer with us. I'm always ready to pitch in with, like you have a random thing which nobody is going to take care of, dump it on Harsha. Okay, yes, I'm there. Like that. Kunal, one of our long time, 2 years, 3 years, been monitoring for us for very long, and all of you probably have been a second time and know Kunal. Takes care of all the logistics. We never ever have to worry about venue or anything else to be taken care of. Jyoti, city lead, Bangalore, and all of you know her pretty well probably by now. BJ, a great person to have in the Bangalore team. She is again a dependable pillar. Like Jyoti, if we want anything in the communication side, she'll see to it that all the speakers have been contacted and things have been communicated to them very effectively. That's Karthik over there. And Karthik is also a volunteer with us, and he takes care of inviting the speakers and really coordinating with the entire process of Startup Saturday happening well in terms of the logistics side. And we have Vishwa, who's here with a video, creative guy. He's the one who made that video also, and we guys kind of loved it internally in the team. Hope. Alright, so here's our gang, and we really love the work that we do. We are complete non-profit, means you don't. Mahesh is another core member of our Bangalore gang, and Mahesh also is like the lead of logistics out here, and Mahesh and Kunal, between the two of them, take care of everything event related in Bangalore. And coming back to our team, it's like we love the work that we're doing.
Short introduction.
Okay, fine. I have a tendency to get carried away.
So
but
can I introduce you?
okay, wait a second. But I really want to get started on how Head Start started. I'll take 2 minutes, Jyoti. Okay, like three years back, we were all a bunch of us. We were sitting next to Forum Mall. We were active bank bar campus, and we said, "Hey guys, we always talk about entrepreneurship. What are we doing about it?" That time, entrepreneurship wasn't a fad really. Like there was nobody talking about it, media not interested in it, and we said that, boy, let's start doing something about it. So we started having small networking meets. Sitting outside Forum Mall, we did, okay, we want to do this for India, that for India, etc., etc. And we said, okay, let's get started. So we'll do small events. And these small events now have become Startup Saturday, which are relatively big events, and they happen across 8 Indian cities. And very consistent. We've done a number of things since then. Big online events called, big offline events called Head Start itself, which is an annual showcase for technology startups. We built an online collab platform which has been brought down now, which allows startups to collaborate in an online environment. And a number of things that we do besides that as well. We have a Google group, probably the most active entrepreneurship-centric list in India. And probably there's a lot of things that we keep trying. Most of them fail, but some things do succeed. And those are the things that I'm talking to you about.
Hi everyone, Amit, thanks a lot for a very nice introduction. He didn't talk about himself. So we have known each other for 5 years, partners in crime, so to speak. First Barcamp and then Head Start, all our stuff that we've been doing. He is responsible for all 8 Startup Saturdays across India. He runs it flawlessly. It started in Bangalore, and it started in this campus. So I feel very good about coming back here and seeing a great turnout. I'm very happily surprised to see that a lot of you are already entrepreneurs, a lot of you looking to be entrepreneurs, And the third category which did not raise its hand, it's kind of in a minority, and in other cities it tends to be a large chunk, people sitting on the fence, not very sure. So that's a good signal for tomorrow. And when I talk about tomorrow, I want to spend a minute talking about why the hell are we doing this? I mean, we are all volunteers. See, you look back at India and we say that it's the land of opportunity. I mean, you've got a sufficient number of people coming from Europe, US, which until let's say 5 years back were the places that all of us would run to find a job or to do whatever. And there are people coming here because India is the market opportunity. Now the thing is that what we find that we Indians, for the way we have been brought up or whatever is our history, are not being as entrepreneurial as we should be to take to make the most of those opportunities. And step back and think, there are nice reports about how India is going to be number 1, number 2 economy in about 30 years from now. Okay. Now look at the largest economy today, US. Okay, take them 30 years back. So many large companies that did not exist 30 years back have come up. And that's what we really think of when we think of entrepreneurs. Where are these guys going to come from? Where are these ideas? And that is what exactly we're trying to spark off when we do something like Startup Saturday and a whole bunch of other things that we try and do. And the idea is, let's get people together, let's get conversations going, because even today, when we started, I was looking to Silicon Valley. Silicon Valley meeting each other, doing things is very common. Okay, anybody who spent some time in Silicon Valley here? Okay, so I see some hands go up. Would I be correct in saying that the level of interaction, the ease with which you can reach out to people, have conversations is much better? Is that right? So that's one thing that we've started doing with Startup Saturday. And as we go forth, we are looking to do many more things. A, in the area of skill enhancement. B, actually helping in business in terms of connecting more with customers, connecting more with partners, be it your co-founders, employees, or getting on to saying that I need to work with a large company to get to market quicker. So a whole host of these things we have been doing in background, which was on a one-off basis. We would reach out to one of us and we make those introductions. And we're looking to scale that up. And all of this will happen only if more volunteers step forward. So I need a larger team. I mean, I'm very proud of my team. Hey, by the way, that's Abhinav, he's Calcutta team, so he's just come down to say hi to you. Hi. So, if this large dream that we all have, that, you know, let's have that India that everybody talks of 30 years from now, okay, world superpower, it's not going to happen. Okay, nothing ever happens. Somebody has to make it happen. And it's up to people like us to make it happen. And I'm asking you guys, please step forward, put in maybe an hour a day, some kind of a voluntary effort. We'll figure out what to do. Or if you have a great idea, well, just run with it. We'll figure out how to form a team for you across India. We have figured out a model of how to do this in a very offline fashion. We meet each other maybe once a year. And I'm probably the only person who knows pretty much everybody in every city. But I'm looking for people who can step forward and help us build that. So please step forward. Jyoti is here. Contact her. Give your contacts to her. And let's get into a dialogue and let's really work hard to make this dream come true. Thank you.